Today we'll be unboxing Redmi Note 9 Pro, which runs on Snapdragon 720G Qualcomm processor, which is basically a very high performance processor and is optimized for power consumption. It also houses a 48 megapixel AI quad camera in the back and a 16 megapixel in-display selfie shooter at the front. It also houses a 6.67 inch full HD display, which is also known as dot display, and in terms of protection, it houses Gorilla Glass 5 in the back and in the front as well. The battery power is 5020 mAh battery, and it gives fast charging in the box, which is of 18 watt. So I'll go ahead quickly and cut off the seals. Here we go. So we have a SIM ejector tool, some paperwork, basically a user guide, and we also have a TPU silicone cover inside the box, which is a good thing. Here, this is how it looks. It's transparent. Inside the box we get let's see what all we get. I'm expecting we won't get any type of headphones, because normally Redmi don't provide it. So yes, we do not have it. So here we have a Type-C cable, Type-C USB cable, and a brick which is 18 watt brick, which gives an output of 1.5 ampere. Here you can see. So apart from this, we do not have any type of headphones and other stuff inside the box. The phone, the cable, and the charging brick with a silicone case. That's it. And now we'll see how's the phone. This is the Aurora blue color of this variant. You also get another black color, which I suppose is called Interstellar Black. So let's turn it on. Let me open the SIM tray and show you how it looks. Good thing is it runs on MIUI 11. So here's the SIM tray, you can see. 2 nano SIMs and a micro SD card. So I'll just quickly set it up. Next. I'll see it. Next. More set. Save it. Next. So this is how it looks in the front. The display is very impressive, I must say. And downwards, if you see, we have a single speaker, a Type-C charging port, and a 3.5 mm headphone jack. Towards the right, we have the volume rocker and power button integrated with fingerprint display, which is very common nowadays with the phones that are recently being launched. And towards the left, if we see, we have the SIM card tray, which, as I told earlier, is a not a hybrid type. You can have 2 nano SIMs as well as a micro SD card. On the top, we have a IR blaster and a noise cancellation microphone, which is good. Like nowadays, having a IR blaster, you can control your electronic devices such as AC and all. So this is how it looks from the back. The looks are really premium, I must say. The grip in the hand is also good, but unfortunately with it we get a camera bump, which I'm sure most of us do not like. Let me tell you about the camera. The main camera is 48 megapixel, that is f1.79. Then we have 8 megapixel, that is for wide angle. Then we have 5 megapixel for macro and then we have 2 megapixel for depth. So guys, that's all for this video. I'll be making another video in regards with the phone performance and other specifications in depth. I hope you like this video, and I would request you to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the notification whenever we post another video. Thank you. Have a nice day.